Safety is the foundation of our company. It's how we deliver reliability that earns trust. It's how we create an unmatched customer experience. It's who we are. Welcome to Integrated Power Services. As you embark on your journey here at IPS, it's important that you understand the expectations, responsibilities, and physical conditions you'll encounter today. Safety is a personal responsibility before anything else. If you see something unsafe, say something about it. And if you feel unsafe, make us aware immediately. There's no room for embarrassment in our dynamic, inherently dangerous work environments. Ultimately, this briefing is about outcomes. And the one outcome that matters most is seeing you and all of our team members head home safely at the end of the day. That's our measure of a good day. Safety begins with the basics. Here are a few ground rules for your visit today. Sign in at entry and sign out upon departure. No shortcuts. Use only designated aisles and walkways to move about the facility. No smoking inside the facility. Use only the designated outdoor area. Don't operate any equipment or machinery for any reason. Please ask for permission before taking photos or video inside an IPS facility. In our workplace, appropriate personal protective equipment is mandatory. You are responsible for your own safety before anyone else. Take an active role in this by following the PPE standards. Whenever you're on the shop floor or in our warehouses, safety glasses and safety shoes that conform to OSHA, ANSI, and IPS requirements are the rule. Additional PPE may be recommended depending on the specific situation. As you move through our facility, be prepared to deal with hazards. You'll encounter dangers like eye hazards from welding flash and grinding debris, confined spaces like pits and tanks, and many hearing hazards from sandblasting, grinding, welding, and motor testing. We also handle many dangerous materials like flammables, combustibles, compressed gases, cryogenic materials, and corrosives. You have a right to know what chemicals are present in our workplace and their associated hazards. Our HSE manager maintains that inventory as well as our hazard communication program with full safety data sheets, all of which are available to you upon request. As you move through the facility, take note of what's around you that can harm you. Stay out of designated forklift areas and watch out for stationary forklift arms both at head height or at tripping height. Beware of hoists and cranes under load. Never walk under a load. Never assume a load is secure. Just as importantly, make note of eye wash stations and fire extinguishers throughout the building. Above all, pay attention. If you're aware of your surroundings, you'll be less likely to miss a step, wander into harm's way, or underestimate a risk. Practice good judgment and you'll be a natural at spotting hazards in no time. If you're unsure about something, stop. Take the time to ask an IPS team member to help you understand if an operation or situation is unsafe. Each of our facilities maintains an emergency response program posted throughout the facility. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with equipment, locations, and exits. If an alarm or announcement for evacuation is made, stay with your host. Together, you will proceed to the nearest exit away from danger and join the IPS team at the designated meeting point. In case of a tornado, you will proceed to the designated interior shelter area together and report to your IPS host. If you suffer any form of accident during your visit to IPS, including near misses, please report it immediately to your IPS host. If you're not with your host, make the nearest employee aware and they'll guide you to first aid. You may also need to assist in completing an accident report prior to leaving IPS premises. Ultimately, the IPS culture of safety includes you. Your health and safety are part of what we want to protect, and you're part of how that happens. Together, we can deliver reliability in a safe and secure environment. Together, we can make each facility visit a productive and effective use of time. And together, we can ensure that everyone goes home to their loved ones at the end of the day.